Hello, everyone. It's me, Sheila, and today I am going to be trying the cucumber sausage and rice. It's been trending all over YouTube, and I'm just curious to try it to see how it tastes. I'm already familiar with eating sausage and rice, but cucumber is not something that I typically eat every day. And to be honest, I don't really like mixing different textures with my rice, but I will do it today just for you guys. So I will show you guys how I cook my white rice, and also maybe I'll show you how I cook my sausage. I don't know, but I'll show you how I cook my rice since everybody think that I make the perfect white rice. So I'll show you guys my tricks. And I have my cucumber right here, which I will cut in pieces because I'm not going to be biting into this big old thing. I'd rather cut mine into pieces. Like I mentioned, I do have a texture problem when it comes to mixing my rice, but stick around so you guys can experience this with me, and I'm back. Hey guys, I am back and my dish is ready. Again, this is something that is trending on YouTube: sausage, cucumber, white rice. So I am trying this for the first time. This is not my first time eating rice and sausage, but cucumber, not really my thing. So I'm just going to see how well the cucumber tie in with the sausage and the white rice. So wish me luck. And also I'll be doing get to know me while I eat this meal. And for my drink, I'll be drinking lemonade. And also I have my baby here with me, so you will get to hear him in the background. So let me just grab my other phone and get something pulled up. Okay, let me take a first bite and see how well this is. I'm nervous because I'm not really a big fan of cucumber unless it's cooked, and this is raw cucumber, so. I did cut my cucumbers. I don't want to eat them whole, since I did mention that I hate mixing in different textures with my rice. So I cut them like this, which is more manageable. I think he wants to be a part of the video. This is actually good. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. So, I will be doing a get to know me video. I really don't have that out there yet. So I want you guys to get to know me as you join. You get to know who I am and things like that. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. This is something that I'm doing for fun, a little hobby of mine. And this is why I have a YouTube channel. So if you guys do not know, my name, well, I go by Sheila, but Sheila is my actual middle name. Sheila is not my first. Give me a second, guys. All right, so as I was saying, Sheila is my middle name, and that's the name that I go by. So you will see my channel saying something with my middle name. I prefer to go by my middle name, but it doesn't mean that I hate my first name. So Sheila is my middle name. What else? If I had to change my first name, would I have changed it? Growing up, I used to always want to change my first name to my middle and my middle to my first. But as I got older, I started to grow to like my my first name. So I started liking my first name more. And I'm not too used to people calling me by my first name. I'm so used to people calling me by my middle name. It's like it really doesn't affect me. It's like my middle name is my first name because everyone called me by my middle name until I get to the professional world. Then they call me by my first name, which I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Where am I from? Well, I was born in Haiti and I moved to Florida at the age of 6. So I relocated to Florida at the age of 6 and I've been in Florida since then. Never left Florida. So I'm from Haiti, guys. This is good. What are your best characteristics? I have to say, caring. I'm a very caring person. If I could save the whole world, that's something I would do. And that is one of my best characteristics, is because I'm very caring. I care about everyone, including animals, including things that I don't like, I care for. So I have a very kind and generous heart. And that's one thing that's good about me, I guess. I'm just going through my questions. What is your best physical feature? Let me take a bite. Take a bite. My best physical features, I have to say, my breasts and also my lip. Growing up, I always thought that I had one of the nicest breasts and one of the nicest lip. And never thought I had to get any changes to be happy with those features. So my breasts and my lips. It's my best feature. Physical feature. What is your biggest accomplishment? Well, 2019, I had a lot of goals that I wanted to achieve. One of the goals was to open up my own business, a physical location. I was going to different locations to provide services, but I wanted to have my own physical building where people come to me for service. And that is one of my biggest goals that I'm actually achieving. I said I wanted to do it, and I'm so close to actually, having the building that I desire. And you have to have goals. You have to put goals down for each year. Each year that's coming up, you have to know what you want to achieve that year. And that's something that I started doing. I have other small goals that I'm actually achieving also, but having my physical building where people could come to me for business was my 2019 goal. This is lemonade I got from Publix. If you haven't tried it, you should. It's very good. Okay. Who is your favorite celebrity? Growing up, my favorite celebrity, and this was a crush, was Omarion, and that was growing up. As I got older, I really don't care too much about celebrities, so I don't have a favorite celebrity. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. I love anything blue. So if you were to go to the store and you see something in blue and you got it for me, I would love it because blue is my favorite color. What is your favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is R&B. I love anything settled, soft, relaxing. I don't mind hip hop, like rap hip hop, but I prefer R&B before I listen to rap. What is your favorite sport? Growing up, I wasn't really into sport, and still now, I'm not into sport. So I can't say I have a favorite sport because I really don't. So I don't have a favorite sport. I'm up to any sport, and to be honest. I watch football, although I don't understand it. I watch it, and then I watch basketball. I watch soccer. It really doesn't matter. But those are something that I'm not really into watching, but I don't mind. Okay, the next question. What is your favorite time of the day? My favorite time of the day, um, do I have a favorite time of the day? I wish there was more time in the day, to be honest. What is the name of your favorite restaurant? I've been to a lot of restaurants. Um, when Kevin and I go on dates, we typically go out to eat a lot. We go to restaurants. And our favorite restaurant is Smoky Bones. I don't know if you guys know of Smoky Bones or ever been to Smoky Bones, but Smoky Bones is my favorite restaurant. And we have our favorite dish that we always get, and we seem to never, like, they never fail us. We could go from South Florida to Central Florida, anywhere in Florida, it's like that dish remained the same. So Smoky Bones, that's my spot right there. We try to go there once a month if possible. What's your least favorite subject when you were a child? So my least favorite subject in high school, pretty much. My least favorite subject in high school, and still now, is math. I hate math. I hate math with a passion. I don't see the reason to have math if you're not going to be building a building or, anything in construction. Yeah, you do need to know your basic math, but the math that they be teaching us in high school, college is like, tell me where I'm going to use that math. Where and when. When I'm going to use slope. How is slope going to help me to create a business in fashion? How is slope going to help me create a business and setting up a table? It's like they teach you things that I feel like it's not necessary towards your degree most of the time. And that's why I hate, and I still hate math. Am I high maintenance? I look like I'm high maintenance. I don't think so. I don't think I'm high maintenance. But honestly, that would be a question Kevin have to answer. Because guys usually think their women are high maintenance. Well, some at least. But I'm not high maintenance. I don't think so. Are you a dog person or cat person? I prefer to have dog any day than cat. I feel like cats, they're cute, but they take over your house. When I mean take over your house, you might be getting ready to eat your dinner and the cat jump on the table, not even caring that they're not supposed to be on the table. So I prefer a dog because I feel like dogs are more disciplined. Are you a good cook? Am I a good cook? Look at this. Like, my channel consists of mostly food. So that tells you I'm a great cooker. You know, cooking was never something I enjoyed doing, and I didn't know. I didn't know how to cook before. You know, cooking is something that I taught myself, and now I can consider myself an amazing cooker. I should open up a restaurant. If I'm looking down, that's because, you know, I'm looking at my phone. Can you dance? I have some move. I think I can dance. I'm not a dancer, but I can dance. All right, so that would be it. And getting to know me. I'll do a video where you guys get to know more about me, and I'm not actually eating. Well, guys, I'm calling it a quit. I ate most. Thank you so much for joining me on this experience. My first time eating cucumber with rice and sausage. I had rice and sausage before plenty of time, but never actually combined it with cucumber. Although I'm not a big fan of cucumber, I can say that it gives it a interesting taste. It combined the flavor very well that you don't recognize that you're eating cucumber. And I can say it's very good. It's good to try. So you guys should definitely try this and let me know. Did you guys like it or no? And I'll be back to do other videos. I know right now my videos consist of food and makeup and hair here and there. But I have other things coming up, but I'm just so busy doing other things with life that I'm slowly trying to grow my YouTube channel. And if you guys want to support, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. Give me some ideas of things that you'd like to see. Again, my name is Sheila. Thank you for joining me. Bye.